In this video, we see about drawing standard. What is drawing standard, different standard name, and standard code and its full form. What do you mean drawing standard? Drawing standard and format are the convention and guidelines that define how engineering drawings are created, presented, and interpreted. Drawing standard are used so that drawing convey the same meaning to everyone who read them. Different countries use different standard according to their age. In India, we follow IS Indian standard, which is somewhat like GIS system. Different standard name: ANSI, BIS, ISO, ASME, GIS, BS, AS. So this is the different standard name. And here code and full form: ANSI, American National Standard Institute; BIS, Bureau of Indian Standard; ISO, International Organization for Standardization; ASME, American Society of Mechanical Engineers; GIS, Japanese Industrial Standard; and BS, British Standard; AS, Australian Standard. This is the different standard code and its full form. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share this video.